If your workplace feels too hot, too noisy, or just uncomfortable, chances are your team's performance is paying the price, and you might not even realize it. Today, we are going to talk about the top 5 mistakes companies make when it comes to managing their work environment. And no, it is not just about air conditioning or clean floors. We are talking about the little details that ISO 9001 Clause 7.1.4 cares about, and the big blunders that can cost you quality, productivity, and audit points. Mistake 1. Thinking work environment is just physical space. Most companies focus only on what is visible: clean floors, working machines, decent lighting. But ISO 9001 makes it clear work environment has 3 sides: physical, social, and psychological. Ignoring the last 2 is a huge mistake. Now let's talk about the physical side: lighting, ventilation, temperature, cleanliness, noise levels, ergonomics. Then social, that is respectful culture, teamwork, no harassment or discrimination. Then psychological, that is stress management, fair workload, safe space to share ideas. Now let's talk about the example. An IT company had great office interiors but a toxic culture where employees feared speaking up. Then what is the result? High turnover, low morale, and missed deadlines, even though the workplace looked perfect. Now mistake 2. Not defining clear standards. Many companies know what they need: good lighting, controlled temperature, clean air. But they didn't define exactly how good or how clean. Without clear standards, no one knows what is acceptable. Examples of clear standards are as follows: storage temperature, that is 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. Lighting in inspection area, 500 lux minimum. Noise levels below 85 decibels. Code of conduct: zero tolerance for harassment. Now let's talk about the real example. A food processing unit didn't set humidity control limits. On humid days, products are spoiled faster, but no one could prove it was due to the environment because there were no set parameters. Now mistake 3. Providing rules without resources. Some organizations set great rules but don't give the team what is needed to follow them. They demand a noise level below 85 decibels but don't install noise barriers. Now comes the example. A manufacturing plant had strict PPE requirements but often ran out of gloves. Workers refused old gloves, which led to safety issues and quality defects. Now mistake 4. Poor monitoring and record keeping. Many companies create a good environment at the start but don't monitor it regularly. They don't keep temperature logs, safety inspection records, or cleaning schedules. When the auditor asks for proof, they can't show consistent compliance. Now comes the example. A cold storage unit kept the temperature perfect but never recorded it. During an audit, they failed Clause 7.1.4 because they couldn't prove it was maintained daily. Mistake 5. Ignoring employee feedback. One of the biggest mistakes is not asking employees what they need to do their jobs better. Sometimes a small change, like adding task lighting, adjusting seating, or fixing ventilation, can massively improve productivity. Now let's talk about the example. In a packaging department, staff complained about glare from overhead lights making labels hard to read. Management ignored it. Months later, a customer reported multiple labeling errors, exactly what the staff had been warning about. So now the bigger picture when you look at these 5 mistakes together. They follow a pattern: limited thinking, only looking at physical aspects, no clear targets, nothing to measure, no tools, rules without resources, no proof, missing records, and no listening, ignoring feedback. Fixing these isn't rocket science. It is about combining the right mindset, clear standards, resources, monitoring, and open communication. Now we will talk about the best practices to avoid these mistakes. Start with all 3 aspects: physical, social, psychological. Set measurable standards for each need. Provide the necessary equipment, tools, and support. Keep daily, weekly records, especially for temperature, cleaning, and safety. Hold quarterly employee feedback sessions and act on them. A great work environment is not built by chance, it is built by choice. So by avoiding these 5 mistakes, you not only meet ISO 9001 Clause 7.1.4, but also create a workplace where people do their best work naturally. And when your team thrives, your quality soars, your customers are happier, and your audits become a breeze. Thanks for watching, and I, Akanksha Mishra, will see you in the next episode of TMB Academy.